Hey guys, this is Fundo on Nonjubagama. Tonight on Uzalo, Nomaswazi apologized to Father Nsimbi for putting his life in danger. While Kwanda is determined to kill Hlezipi if he does not get his drug back. Sbu is ready to fill Konzi's shoes. He wants to take all the business of Konzi and run it. But it seems like he he don't realize that he will be suspicious on killing Konzi. While Mbata getting the woman he wants to be Mama Mfundisi. He get a lady that she has a business and the money is not a problem. And Mbata is happy to get her. While Nonkaha remind himself for for all moment with Kwanda, where realized that Kwanda was really selling drugs. That is for tonight. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe. Therefore, thanks.